Hello, welcome back to another video. We're currently in the van. I'm just going to head over to the garage. What time is it currently? Just checking my phone. Oh, the radio's still on. I'll turn the radio off. Don't want the radio on. But yeah, no, I'm not sure. I think it's like 8:30. But yeah, I'm heading over to the garage. Going to do a bit of tidying there. I'll try and do a bit of welding. I'm not too sure, but even then, there will be welding in this video because I just link a few days together. But I'm going to head over to the garage for a bit, organise it all, try and get my tools together, and go from there. But yeah, I'm just going to post more content, more videos. Hope you enjoy. Right, so we've arrived at the garage. I've just got to park the van from this horrible corner. Right, all parked up at the garage. I'm probably going to switch over to the GoPro, but yeah, see you in a sec. Right, so I'm now filming on the GoPro. The quality is just generally better on the GoPro and it takes up less space on my phone. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tack weld the inside the door where the rubber seal goes on. That bit needs, I don't think it is usually welded, it's like pressed together, but obviously I ain't got no press. I'm just going to tack weld it on. That's what I did on the other side, clamped it all together and did tack welds to keep it together. And then there's some like sealant in the middle, but the rubber seal on it anyway should stop the water going in there. But yeah, I'll show you what I mean. I'll just get my welder and bits out and do that. So this bit's the bit I want to work on. As you can see, it's got a bit of flex in it, so I'm hoping I can drill through it, tack it, and keep it down, because this will rub on the door. So what I need to do is start in this corner, push it down, clamp it, drill it, weld it, and see what happens. I do also have my fire extinguisher behind the camera, because I nearly set this car on fire when I was doing the other side and we had to call the fire brigade, so I'm very cautious. I've also got a bucket of water. Let me show you. Got a bucket of water with a cloth in it, so if anything starts I can just straight with the cloth. And with this, I only want to go through the first layer because these two should already be kind of like bonded together, but certain bits I might clamp it a bit more. See what happens. Go for a 4 mil. Yeah. Don't really know how I can do this actually with the door on. That's annoying. I'll just put a little weld on the back side to at least hold it there. I'll weld along this bit, but that's annoying because I can't get the door fully open at the moment. I can't get right in there with the drill, and if I drill from this side I'll just have a hole through it and I don't want that. I'll see if I can weld on there, see if it at least holds it. Maybe I can write it down at least. Mission achieved. It's not pinged back up, it's all in line. It's not pretty, but it's doing the job. I'm not good at welding, but I can put metal together. This is how you apply pressure. You fucking stand on it. Oh, come on. It's definitely down there. Drill into here. Moment of truth, will it hold? Oh, it has. Nice, it did hold. Putting this silicone in here was a bad idea looking back, but we make some mistakes, don't we? So it's not the prettiest, but I drilled a hole out, put a weld in it, and that is staying there, there's no flex in it. So when we do that all the way along, push it down, and then that might clear the gap between the door a little bit, but either way, that's progress. I definitely drilled this off of the car, oh well. Right, So I've drilled loads of holes in there, which I probably should have done beforehand, but I can spot weld through those. I don't know if you're meant to do that or not, but it's what I'm doing. And for anyone who says anything, which they probably won't because I get like 4 views anyway, but to anyone who's like, why am I doing that? Well, it's just you learn by messing around and trying different stuff. Like, I know a lot about BMXs, and how did I learn that? Just from taking stuff apart, doing it wrong, and then eventually you learn to do it right. So I'll do the same with cars. Someone will comment something and I'll go, right, yeah, that's a really good idea, I should have done that. But for now, we drill and we weld. And then we grind it and no one will even know, so it'll all be hidden, you won't even know. And if it goes through an MOT, that's all that matters. So we've closed this gap up here quite nicely. You can see the 2 panels are fairly close together. I'm going to weld these slots here and see how it looks. So it's a new day. Yesterday I did the tack welding for the sill. Today I've got a cover above me because it's raining. It's only light rain, but I don't want to be raining. I don't want it to be raining on me while I'm welding. So I'm going to tack this bit across here. See, there's quite a gap, so I need to cut like a blank to go in there. But you'll see what I do. I'm just going to get on with it. Set the grinder up. I might just weld it from the back. Yeah, I'm just going to weld it from the back, because then I can make a little plate and just hold it on there. So I was going to try and cut them in a way that I could like fold them in there and hold them. I managed to do it on the other side, but my brain's just not working. So I just cut out some strips and I'm just going to weld them from the back because I can. I'll just weld them on from the back and then fill it in from this side. So what I'm going to do, I can lean through and I can push with my left hand. That means I can still use my right one to weld, which I'm more comfortable with. And the sparks will then be on the outside, not the inside. Get this in place. That was shit. The wires come out. Oh, my wires snaps. For fuck's sake, man. Welder problems. So, I'm currently trying to fix my welder. There we go. What a waste of wire. Oh well, at least we fixed it. We can put some more in. The wire should come out of here eventually. This is a long waiting game. Maybe it should have come out by now, I don't know. There we go, we got my wire back. Welder's fixed. Take number 2, that was long. I want to find something as well to push the metal with on the back to don't burn my hand. Because these are not my welding gloves. I don't know where I put them. I should find them, but I haven't. That's getting fucking hot, that bit of metal. It's not pretty, but it's doing the job. And I'm bloody good at body filler, so I'll save it later. Look at this little section now, I think I might clean it out a bit. I dropped my Red Bull, so it's annoying, but I'm going to set some lights up and then we're going to go out. I'm gonna pause the GoPro because otherwise it's just lots of me welding, but I'll check back in once I've done that and I've grinded this bit off so it's all a bit more flush. But yeah, bit of a bodge job, but it's doing the job and we'll all find out if it goes through the MOT or not. It looks nasty, but at the end it won't. This is the bit I've just put in there. You see this little patch I put in there to close that gap. Obviously ignore the welding, it is shit, but it does the job, and once you grind it back you can see like they are actually welds. But yeah, I'm gonna weld along here and like fill this in a bit. So yeah, I got something stuck in my hair. There we go. So what you can see is I've built this section up with the most disgusting welds going. This is a bit lazy as well. I probably shouldn't have done this. I should have put a blanking plate like I have for all of these, like behind it. But I've just built it up being absolutely lazy, knowing that when I grind it back, it'll just be smooth metal anyway, and you won't even know. And the other side's not falling off yet, so it can't be that bad. That looks fucking disgusting, but it's what it is. I'll grind it off and it'll look fine. Trust the process, but that is not what a professional would give you, but I'm not a professional. Oh god, look at my hair. It's been a long day. But I'm done welding for the day. It's currently 9:30 and I need to do some grinding, but I don't really fancy doing grinding right now. So yeah, that's me done, and I think that'll wrap up this video because yesterday's footage was quite a lot as well. But so far we've managed to get this bit below the door welded, and then we're starting to weld along here. So once I've done this seal, hopefully the bits for the gearbox have arrived. I've ordered a M12 1.5 pitch tap, so hopefully that's the same thread as the gearbox. From my research it should be, but if not we'll just order a different one. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. I'll catch you in the next video. I'm going to be posting more YouTube ones, but I think once I've posted this video I'm going to go down craft to do some bike digging videos for the social medias and whatnot. But yeah, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, see you in the next one.